In this video, we are going to talk about the sectors of circles. So, a part of a circle is called an arc. So this is an arc. So, if you connect two radius from the arc to the center of the circle, the area enclosed is called the sector of a circle. So this inside here is the sector. And this is the central angle. Let's put it CA for short. Central angle. We note that the degree measure of an arc is the same as the degree measure of the central angle formed by two radii. There are 360 degrees in a circle. So when we make a circle, that makes a full 360 degrees. 1 degree of an arc is 1 over 360 of a circle. 27 degrees of an arc is 27 over 360 of a circle. So let's say this side is 27 degrees. The sector designated by the 27 degrees of an arc is 27 over 360 of the area of a circle. The length of a 27 degree arc is 27 over 360 of the circumference of the circle. Let's say we have a circle. Then this is the center of a circle. And our radius is 6 meters. So, let's find the area of the circle. So, the formula of the area, if you recall from the previous videos, it is pi times the radius squared. So our radius here is 6. So it will be 3.14 times 6. So let's plug that on a calculator. That will be, if we have 3.14 times 6 squared. So let's square 6, so it will be 3.14 times 36, because when we square a number, you will multiply 2 or 6 times 6 for short. So if we plug that in a calculator, 3.14 times 36, it will be 113 meters. This is an estimated, by the way, meters squared. Now, when we find the circumference of a circle, do you know the formula of it? It will be 2 pi r, wherein r is the radius. So 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 6. So when we plug that in a calculator, it will be 37.7 meters. So 37.7 meters. So this side is 6. So our radius is 6. And right here is 27 degrees. So let's find the area of a 27 degree arc. It's a 27 units per radius is an angle of 27 degrees. So let's find the area of this portion here, like just right here in the shaded part. Now, to find the area of a 27 degree sector, we'll have 27 over 360 times our area. So when we solved the area earlier, by the way, this problem is related from the previous example. So when we recall the area earlier, since this is 6 and last problem is also 6 meters, so that was 113 meters squared, and our circumference earlier was 37.7 meters. So we will times and we will multiply it by the area of the full circle, which is 113 square meters. Now let's multiply it in a calculator. That will be 8.48 meters squared. So this is the area of the sector. Now let's find the circumference of this line. So we'll have same 27 over 360 degrees, over 360 only. Then we multiply it by the full circumference of the circle, which is 37.7. so when we plug it out on a calculator, it will go up as 2.83 meters. So that is the circumference of the circle. Now let's have another example. Now let's have this. Let's find the area and the circumference of a 45-degree sector. So you can try it if you want to. So let's find the area first. So if we recall, the area is pi r squared. So our radius is 100 and 10, and we multiply it by another 10 since it is squared. So 3.14 times 100 is 314 centimeters squared. Now let's find the circumference. Our circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. We have 2 times 3.14 times 10. Let's put it on a calculator. That will be 62.8 centimeters. Alright, now we can find the area and circumference of this sector. Now, since we have a 45-degree angle, so we're gonna have 45 over 360 times our area here, the full area of a circle, which is 314. So let's plug it on a calculator. It will be 39.3 centimeters squared. So that is the area of this sector. Now let's find the length of the arc. So we'll have the same 45 over 360 times our full circumference of the circle, which is 62.8. Now I'll put it on a calculator. Times 62.8, that would be 7.85. 5 centimeters. So this is the length of the arc of a 45-degree sector with a radius of 10. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned new on this topic.